Probability and Statistics by Diana Patino. The topic I chose was probability and statistics. I decided to work with graphs for this particular lesson. The students had previous knowledge of what a bar graph was, but they weren't too familiar with other forms of graphs. I introduced the lesson with a small discussion of what a graph was, the different types, what we use them for, and for review purposes, I asked them to point out graphs around the classroom if they spotted any. According to Piaget, the students at this level are considered to be in the pre-operational stage. During this stage, children's thought process are still developing, although they are still considered to be far from logical thought in the adult sense of the word. Their vocabulary is also expanded and developed during this stage. Some are able to draw conclusions when you give them the information. After there was a small discussion about the graphs, I provided the students with the following set of worksheets. They had to work individually on the first sheet, and the second one we did together as a group. This activity was considered structured learning because the adult chose the experience, it gave some direction for the child's action.
Besides those on the wall, does anybody else see a graph? Abby? Yes, right here. Anybody else? Alex? That's another graph. Does anybody else see another one? Adriana? Good job. These are all graphs. With this one, you compare. You see how things are alike or how they're different. This one, you compare. What are you comparing here?
Rainbow.
No, but what is this whole graph? What are you up?
Weather.
The weather. Good job, Jose. The weather. And in this one, what were you comparing?
Fish.
Who likes fish and who doesn't? Good job, Abby. So there's different kinds of graphs. And we know we've seen these graphs, which is those are called a bar graph because they have bars. You see how they have bars? Okay, and then this is vertical, which is just means up and down. And then there's a horizontal, which is like this one here, that goes from side to side. And then there's other graphs like a pie graph, which I probably haven't seen it, but it looks like a pie. You see that? And it's cut into different little sections. And then there's another type of graph like a line graph, which is just a line. You've seen those? Okay. You too? Well, today you guys have already made the graph, the bar graphs. We're gonna focus on bar graphs today, okay? So what I have for you are some worksheets that I want you guys to do for me. So what you guys are going to do is you're gonna make a graph to show how many flowers of each color that he sees. So we're gonna do the first one together. The colors are down here. You see them?
Yeah.
Down here. There's red, purple, pink, and blue. So we're going to do the first one together. How many red flowers does Noah see?
5.
5. So how many blocks are you going to color on the first one? 5. Okay, do that. How many are you going to color, Juan Carlos? Huh? You don't know? How many red flowers does he see?
4.
How many? 5. So you're going to color 5 blocks. Can you do that? The 5 boxes. Okay, do you want to move on to the next one? Okay, so he sees 3 pink flowers. How many are you going to color in?
3.
3. Now, on number 1, did Noah see more red flowers or pink flowers? Did he see more red flowers or pink flowers? You can look back in your graph.
Red.
Which one did you see the most of?
Red.
Red or pink?
Red.
Okay, so you're going to write Red. Okay, let's look at number 4. How many more purple flowers than pink flowers did he see? So let's look at your graph. It's kind of what we did in the morning, remember? So how many purple flowers did he see?
7.
And how many pink?
3.
How many more did he see than the pink?
2.
I mean, the purple than the pink. How many more?
7. 4.
No, it's asking how many more.
Oh, 10.
This one has 7, and this one has 3. How many more purple did he see?
4. 7.
Good job, Abby.
3.
How did you get 4? Because 3 and 7 minus 3 equals 4. How many pink and blue flowers did he see in all? What does in all mean? Look. How many did he see in all? What colors are we looking for? Pink and blue. Okay. So how many pink and blue flowers did he see in all? Pink and blue. 5. How many red flowers did he see? Then blue flowers. So how many red flowers are there?
3.
How many red flowers? How many red flowers? 5. Then he see them blue. 2. Good job. 3. Yes. 5 minus 2, 3. Good job. Everybody gets a happy face. Everybody did a great job. Juan Carlos did too. He finished all his work.